Input devices. The parts of the computer which helps us to give input to the computer in the form of data and instructions are called input device. We shall now learn about some common input devices are keyboards, mouse, joystick, light pen and microphone. In this chapter, we will learn about these parts of input devices. Keyboard. The keyboard is an important input device. A keyboard has many small buttons on it called keys. These keys have letters of the alphabets, numbers and symbols written on them. You can press any key to type a letter, number or symbol. The keyboard is connected to the CPU by a wire. There are about 100 keys on the keyboard. When you type something in the keyboard, it shows on the monitor. So it is a input device. It gives instruction to the computer. As per given input device instruction, computer works. Mouse. The mouse is a pointing device. A mouse has 2 or 3 buttons. It has a long wire that is attached to the CPU. The mouse is moved on a pad called the mouse pad. When you move the mouse on the pad, the mouse pointer moves on the monitor screen. The mouse can be used to give input to the computer. Joystick. The joystick is used for playing games on the computer. The joystick makes computer game a good fun. When it is moved to control the different characters, it gives input to the computer. Light pen. The light pen is also an input device. Like a mouse, a light pen also allows us to draw with the help of a light pen. We can draw directly on the monitor screen. Microphone. The microphone is an input device which is used to input sounds. The microphone allows us to input sounds like speech and songs into our computer. There are few more input devices which are important, such as web camera, scanner, processing devices, CPU. First, web camera. This input device is called webcam in short. A web camera is used for taking pictures and putting them into the computer. Scanner. The scanner can copy text and graphics and put them into the computer. It is mainly used for scanning important documents and pictures. Processing devices. When we input some data in the computer, it is sorted, arranged and changed into meaningful information by the computer. It is done by the processing devices. The processing devices in a computer are the control unit and the memory chips. These are located inside the CPU. The CPU is the most important part of a computer system. It makes all the parts of the computer work together. It stores information and helps the computer to remember things. All the other parts of the computer are connected with the CPU by wires. Children, these are the main input devices. You find out more input devices rather than this all. So, this is your work. You have to find out more input devices. And in next lesson, I will tell you about output devices. But till then, search more input devices. Those I not mentioned in this lesson. Bye.